All right. This is to help 8th graders. This is to help you with question 3 on CR 13. It says in the drawing rectangle ABCD, this symbol means is similar to. Oops. Rectangle FGHI. Fill in the missing part of the proportion. Okay. In similar rectangles, corresponding sides are in proportion. Okay. How do I explain this? All right. Let's talk about corresponding parts. A corresponds to F. Okay. A corresponds to F. B corresponds to G. B corresponds to G. C corresponds to H. C corresponds to H. D corresponds to I. D corresponds to I. So it's like if you took this triangle, you spun it 90 degrees counterclockwise, and then you shrunk it down a little bit, you'd get this new triangle. That's what it means to be similar. Exact same shape, but the size is different. But in similar figures, corresponding sides are in proportion. So you look here, CD is to AD. CD, this side, that's like the width of the original, is to AD. AD would be the length of the original. And so HI is the width of your new triangle. And see how CD corresponds to HI, and in the lettering up here, that gives it away. So then you have to take this AD and say, what does AD correspond to? Oh, if we look at the length of the new rectangle, AD corresponds to FI. Remember, we're swinging it up. And A to D corresponds to FI. So the question mark would have to be FI. And the way I figure that out is I take the lettering on my original rectangle, I label it with the corresponding letters on that from the new rectangle. Then it's kind of easy to piece it apart. CD is HI, AD is FI. And they're just comparing your lengths to your widths. Corresponding sides of similar rectangles will be in proportion. All right, I hope that helps.